Hi, it's Pensacola area's best home inspector coming to you from inside an attic. Just wanted to show you a little bit about some things that we found in this attic. This has a gas furnace that's located in the crawl space, and exhaust flue goes all the way up through the walls and into the attic, and then comes out, and they utilize an old chimney to be the exhaust vent. Got up in here and we found the condition of this exhaust vent. It's got all sorts of holes in it, and they tried to fix it by using aluminum foil and a little bit of electrical wire to hold the aluminum foil in place, but that's not going to quite cut it for carbon monoxide leaks. So one of the things that we always do when we check a home is to check for carbon monoxide leaks. We got a little bit higher than normal carbon monoxide when we started checking the CO for up in the attic, and then started doing a little bit of searching, and this is what we found. So if you're getting an inspection done or you're looking at houses with gas appliances, make sure that the exhaust flues are in good condition, or make sure your inspector makes sure that they're in good condition. And for all your inspection needs, be sure to call a professional at 850-916-7669, or find us on the web at a-proinspects.com.